Charlie Couchain here, just doing a quick video on my Dewalt DW735 planer. It works fantastic, and what's unique about it is it has this exhaust that has its own impeller and blows really hard. Now I modified the exhaust with this angle that you see here and my regular shop vac chip that I have hooks into here, and all the exhaust and all the chips go into it. However, it really fills up my vacuum fast, and I'd rather have something that's even quicker to unhook and empty and put back on. So what my plan is to add this DustRIGHT bag that you see here, and it has a window on it, as you can see, a clear window, so you can see when it's full. Now I want to reserve the right to hook up my vacuum if I want to. However, my plan now is to put this in here to bring it back up to a 4, but then make an adapter, because the hole in this bag is 6 inches. So I need to make an adapter to go from the 4 to the 6. And then this will just stay right here, and I can see how full it is, and it'd be quick to take off, empty, and put back on. So that's my project for today.
Time to start cutting some wood. The first pieces we're cutting is two pieces that are approximately 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. I'm using some leftover scrap pressure treated wood, and I'll just glue them together. Here I'm finding the center of the pieces of wood, and then I'm going to draw some 6-inch circles so I know where I need to cut it on the bandsaw. Here I'm drilling a 4-inch hole through each piece that'll accept the exhaust coupling.
Now to glue these two pieces together. And then I'll cut a circle.
Time to glue up the boards and get them ready for the bandsaw.
Okay, this has been drying for about 6 hours. Time to cut a circle and then mount that in there. Let's go to the bandsaw. Alright, time to put the faceplate on this.
Turning on the lathe is fun, but really dusty.
Alright, the next thing I have to do is fix this ring in here. I'm just going to put a couple screws, maybe 3 of them. There we go. That's held in there nice and tight. Alright, so the chips come out of the center here, 4 inch. Not the 4 inch, but the actual 2.5 inch board. And I put an elbow so that the boards can pass through without it hitting. And then I put a plastic coupling right here to attach my vacuum. Now my plan is to take this plastic coupling out. See? And now put my new coupling in. Now the way this will work is not only can I attach the bag, but I can also, additionally, if I want to, hook my vacuum back onto the inside the bag. So that works out great. Or I can add the bag what I need is a thing when you pull it, it stays tight. So that's the next thing I have to get. Okay, I've tied the bag to the groove I made, and it'll allow the bag to not pull off. Now I'm gonna, instead of tying it every time, I'm gonna get a rope stop. You know, the thing you push, you pull tight. Those are on order. But for now, I just tied it. You see the window, so you can actually see how it's filling up. And I'm going to plane down a piece of wood to a 1/2 inch. So let's get started.
Multiple passes through the planer make quick work of this piece.
As you can see, the bag did start filling up just a little bit. So this is gonna work out perfect. I'll just be able to change it quickly and I'll know how full it's getting. Perfect.